I found out one of the hottest new trends in EVs is fake. This RZ 550e has a fake transmission. That's 402 horsepower going through a gearbox it doesn't need.
The RZ 550e uses two electric motors, all-wheel drive, and a single-speed system. Lexus software creates 8 pretend gears, using paddle inputs, changing power delivery, and adding sound. There is no actual gearbox. It's performance cosplay, but surprisingly convincing.
I've got paddle shifters in an electric car, 0 clutch, 0 gearbox, and 8 simulated gears. We've officially entered automotive theatre.
Activate the interactive manual drive and the accelerator response changes. Pull a paddle, power briefly pauses. The display changes gears and the speakers provide the soundtrack. EV acceleration is normally smooth. Lexus has added a little manufactured indigestion.
Now it gives me a virtual redline on the gauge cluster. The vehicle doesn't need one, but apparently I do.
The Direct 4 system constantly adjusts power between the front and rear wheels. During a simulated shift, the software briefly reduces the instant electric punch. The car isn't actually changing gears, it's simply taking a dramatic pause.
0 to 60 in 4.4 seconds, and then it politely pauses to shift. It's like fast forward with punctuation.
A stiffer body and low-mounted battery helps the RZ feel stable through corners. That solid function makes the fake shifters feel intentional instead of like the car has developed a nervous twitch.
Do you remember when fake engine noise was upsetting everybody? Well, now we have fake gearboxes and everybody's loving it.
Performance cars have used artificial sound for years. Electric cars remove much of the noise and vibration drivers associate with speed. Now, fake shifters put some of that feedback back, because apparently silence really isn't golden.
Fake gearbox, real practicality. There's room for luggage, groceries, and a couple of muddy dogs here in the back.
The battery sits beneath the floor, helping create a flat cabin and useful cargo space. Lexus also includes adaptive cruise control, lane assistance, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. The gearbox is imaginary. The safety technology is not.
Real passengers don't care about fake transmissions or fake noise. They care about real space, and there's enough of it.
The long wheelbase and flat floor provides good rear legroom. Lexus also keeps the cabin impressively quiet, which means the simulated engine drama gets the stage completely to itself.
Same 402 horsepower, same dual motors, completely different personality, like switching playlists without changing the band.
Lexus isn't alone. The Hyundai Ioniq 5N also simulates an 8-speed gearbox, while the Honda Prelude Hybrid will offer a similar system. Apparently, car makers have discovered that drivers want more than speed. We also want something to fiddle with.
We spent 15 years making cars smoother and quieter, and now we're digitally adding noise back in, so we get drama. Progress has a sense of humor.
Electric cars are quick and efficient, but their smooth power can feel emotionally flat. Simulated shifts add rhythm and a sense of effort. The car remains efficient, while drivers get to feel slightly more heroic.
No mechanical gearbox, no clutch pedal, 8 pretend gears, and very real smiles.
The RZ 550e combines 402 horsepower, all-wheel drive, a stiffer chassis, modern safety technology, and 8 virtual gears. It proves software can add character without sacrificing speed, comfort, or everyday usefulness.
One of the hottest new trends in cars is fake. Fake gearboxes, fake noise, but lots of fun. I'm Nik Miles, and I love my job.